guys, welcome back to my channel Live with B Sisters. I'm making a card for my big elder sister, and she's very sweet and kind, and she is helpful and she's very kind. So I'm gonna make her a card, and it's gonna be very beautiful card. So let's make card. First we need sheets. Which color you like sheet, you can choose. I love pink sheet, so I'm gonna use pink sheet. And I need these things: pen, scissors, glue, and the scale. And now I'm gonna make my card. So let's make it. I love pink and blue. I choose blue. And I'm gonna first fold the paper like this, and next I'm gonna make it. First I'm folding it. I just fold this pink paper. Now I'm gonna cut this black paper off this. I'm gonna cut these strips with scissors. So let's cut. Okay. So guys, I cut this strip, so I'm gonna glue on this pink paper with the help of glue. I'm gonna paste. I just applied the glue. Now I'm gonna stick on the paper. So let's stick. I'll cut the extra two ends. Now I'm gonna stick this to page, and don't stick this page. Now I stick this. Now I'm gonna stick the other ones. Now I stick both of them. I'm gonna stick the other one. Now I'm gonna cut this lines, extra lines. Now look, black lines on pink page. This is the outside of the page. I stick this one, and I'm gonna stick this one. Do a black one. strip on this red page, and now I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna cut it like a heart shape, like this. So let's cut it. Now I cut this strip. Now I'm gonna fold it, and now I fold it. Then now I'm gonna make a heart shape like this. And if you don't know how to make it, take a help of your mother. Then I'm gonna stick it in the page. Stick it on the page. I'm applying this heart. I'm not gonna apply them whole. I'm gonna just fold them, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna remove and do them like this. Then I'm gonna write the name. Then I'm not using all of the glue, so I'm just gonna fold them and write the name on and do them like this again. Now I'm gonna stick this heart here. So I just applied this half of this heart. If you want to apply them whole, but I applied them half with the glue. And I applied this green hearts, and into the green hearts I'm gonna put some little red hearts. I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna paste the glue. And I'm gonna put the red heart into the green heart with the glue, and apply it on the one side like the green heart. I just got this two green peppers, and I'm gonna just apply this two, one on the top, two on the bottom. Now let me paste them. So I applied this. Oh, you can write any message on it, and you can write here your wishes. And look at this heart, is so beautiful. If I don't have glitter, or if we have glitter, we can apply on it. If you have a glitter foaming sheet, you can apply it. It can be really sparkly. Then your card will be best. And here you can write the what you got for your surprise. You can write over here. So I'm gonna apply some glitter. I'm gonna take it from the market. I take a little help from my mother. So now my card is really final. Just I'm gonna write the name of my friends and put his heart like this, and then my card will be final. Look at this. I put lots of heart over here and let's look over here what I done over here. Wow, it just looks like a phone or a bag or a shopping bag. It's so beautiful. My card is mending. My card is just mend. Now I'm gonna take I'm gonna put it in a letter. Then take it to them. Then I'm gonna take 2 surprises and give to them, and they're gonna give me some presents. They're gonna give me 2 presents, like me.